Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're building a simple but useful weather dashboard screen using the Ionic Design Kit. Whether you're designing or developing, this will help you create a clean, readable layout that users actually want to check. Let's get into it. On the left-hand side of your screen, we're jumping into the world of coding, using some official Ionic documentation snippets to lead the way. Right in the middle, you'll see the layout, all thanks to the Ionic Design Kit. And on the right-hand side, we've got a phone emulator lined up, ready to show off what our code can do in real time. Feel free to pause this video anytime if you need a closer look at something. Let's talk about the weather dashboard screen. It's one of the first things users check when they open a weather app. More than just showing the temperature, it needs to quickly show what the day looks like and what's coming up. A clear, well-structured layout makes the experience smoother and way more useful. This screen plays a big role in how people interact with your app. So how do we build that without overcomplicating it? That's where the Ionic Design Kit comes in. It's full of pre-made components built on the Ionic framework. Designers can drop them right into Figma, and developers already have the code versions. Super efficient. Remember, you can find all the code snippets over on our website, so you're never left hanging. Want to make your Ionic project smoother and easier to build? The Ionic Design Kit keeps things simple so you can design faster and stay focused on what matters. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, feel free to like, share, and subscribe for more straightforward UI guides. Catch you in the next one.